Does your phone buzz all day with notifications? What about dings and pop-ups in your browser? Google Calendar notifications are helpful reminders about upcoming meetings that you don't want to miss. And Gmail notifications tell you about hopefully important emails. But what if you're collaborating with someone in a Google Doc or Sheet? Do you know when they've done their part? When they added the info you're waiting for? Or do you have to go check it and find out? What if I told you that Google added notifications in 3 amazing locations? Stick around to find out how these new notifications can eliminate time waiting around for your team members to complete their part. I'm Amy from Clutter Care, and I empower business owners with Google Solutions. Comment below and let me know what's one Google app that you wish had better notifications. And click the link below to grab my time-saving hacks for small business owners. Google is always updating its tools. You can now enable notifications in individual Google Docs and Sheets, so there's no more guessing if your collaborators did their part. You will know. In both Docs and Sheets, go to the Tools menu and choose your notification settings. Then you will get notified when certain conditions are met for each file. No checking the file constantly for updates. In Google Drive settings, you can also enable email or browser notifications about a variety of things in Drive. That means you're more aware of what's going on with the files in your Drive, and you can immediately reply to comments, requests for access or approvals, or review newly shared files. These new notifications alert you to updated info in your files so that you can take the next action quickly. And you're not just waiting around wondering if your team has done their part. And they don't have to wait as long for you to approve, grant access, or reply to an important comment. To learn more about helpful features in Google Apps and Google Workspace, contact me to schedule a clarity call so we can discuss what features will help you make the most of your account. I look forward to helping you succeed.